Good morning, all of you. This is Makita screw drill 6413 model. This drill not good working and quickly hit. It means need repair. This video will learn about 6413 drill repair. I will I'll turn off. Now I connect the power and I'll start. Check back on. This video we will learn how to repair this drill. Also in this video. Now first I'll disconnect the power. Then I'll open it. I'll open the screw and body. Now I open. This is the screw drill. Shield, armature, gear, and carbon brush, carbon holder. Now I'll check why this very different sound coming. This armature on bearing fully jam. That's why this drill giving different sound. This drill not running. This drill good. This bearing good. This bearing need to change. This they have made this bearing. This is field accessory 220 volt. This is armature accessory 220 volt. Now I'm going to open this bearing. Now I'll open this bearing with bearing puller. It's bearing puller. Now I'll open it. Now I open this bearing and I'll change another bearing. Now I'll change this new bearing. Bearing 627Z bearing. Now I change this bearing. I'll fix it again this armature. I'll change carbon brass also. PB64. Now I'll tighten the screw. Now I fix this screw. I'm going to test this drill. I already put power. Now this drill good working. Now this drill good working. Thank you for watching.